Hi, my name is Héctor Fernando Gamba Trujillo. I am 31 years old. At the moment, I am going my telecommunication engineering study. I am going to give you a brief explanation of the infographic in an English word. In the first part, we can find the title that is my travel experience in Medellin, where we can find a photo of the Medellin Metro is the only one in Colombia. In the second part, I talk about the cities I visited in Medellin and site on my last vacation last year I was in Medellin, which is a beautiful city with many landscapes outside the city and in the very congested central part. Its climate is cold for the night in the very sunny day. It has many places for tourists. He visited such as park, shopping center, museums. He has welcomed people, so he recommended these places. In the first part, talk about the weather and also we should travel to Medellin and what is the negative of this beautiful city. The weather in Medellin in the morning is so sunny most of the time. In the evening, summertime, in the cloudy and windy, ski and hot night, it is very cold and in the part of the mountain it is muddy and hot down. It is very snowy and glacier. And in the last two parts of my infographic, which has background images of the Medellin cable meter. There about some ago think that Medellin has which area. 1. When it is very hot in Medellin, it is advisable to go out to the water park, go out the different museums of the city. 2. On sunny day, I recommend people go out a trip to Medellin to practice sport in the different places perfect for that. And so it and with the description of my infographic which you ago they and that for your attention.